Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo Mantua, and for today's video, we are going to feature products used for jewelry cleaning as well as gold and or silver testing. Yes, Allahas, Allahas, Allahas. The products that I'll be showing to you today were ordered online, and there is one that was bought from the shops because mas barato dito. And the first one, oni siya ang gikan sa shops. It is a jewelry cleaner and inganiyon siya pagbasa. K-ne-se. Pero kamo rin magbuot kung saan dyan yung pag-pronounce. So nanoktok akong anak na. Kani siya nga product recommended by Madame Dicker. So nice, good ni. I think murag na ni siya sa $23 or $24. Dili ko sure, but I got it from Shields. Okay? So naray gamay nga difference if you order it online, so might as well get it from Shields para makasave ka og shipping fee. So I haven't tried this one, but we are going to try it today. Next one is impregnated gold polish cloth. Impregnated kay soak or saturate something with a substance. Muna siya ang meaning. Ready, nag-research. Okay, so, napa siya sa plastic, although I opened it, pero, ingon ani siya og dagway. So, ang instruction niya says, gently rub tarnished area with cloth. For obstinate tarnish, moist an area of cloth to increase tarnish removal capabilities. When not in use, store in plastic bag to retain impregnation. Do not wash. Ala, di siya pwede hugasan bayot. So, ingon ani ihang dagway. So, ato ni siyang i-try today. Kani siya nga cloth is for $10.95 and you only get one. So, that's before shipping. Next one is a test magnet for both gold and silver. So, it is for $7.86, pero ani ra jud na siya kagamay. So, pero in fairness niya, no kusgan siya. I'll show you later when we will do the testing. And the last one, which I haven't opened yet because I want to do it with you, is this one. It is called a gold acid testing kit. So with the acid testing kit, you will get a test stone, the acids for 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, and 22 karat gold. And it also comes with an instruction booklet. The whole kit costs $55 before shipping fee. These are the jewelry items that we are going to use in testing the cleaning products as well as for acid testing later. Before doing that, mag-story time sa ta. The nice thing about having jewelry is each item has a story. So first, matest jud og ayo ang atong cleaner ani kay. These ones are from Unisilver, like way back 2007, and these ones are our Bayu Days rings. So, perting hugawa. And these ones I also would like to clean because these ones are our wedding rings and I haven't cleaned it since we haven't been home to the Philippines since 2020. And kani, these ones are the earrings that I have been using for work. Nice ni siya kay tricolor and it's only 1.2 grams. So, nanakay 18 karat gold. Yeah, tricolor na. The next item, this one is a necklace that we will be using for acid testing. And naputol siya. So my friend would like me to test it using the magnet as well as the acid test kit. Ang sunod, I got this one from the shops. And this one is a 10 karat gold. Pero, gi-stop na nako ang paggamit kay naitom gyud siya. So, I wanna know if this one is real 10 karat gold or dili. And, ang kaning 1 peso coin will be used for the magnet, just to show you kung unsa ang iyahang, unsa kapaspas siya mo pilit kung gamitan sa magnet. Okay, so let's start. First, we'll do the magnet test because that's easier. Just to give you a comparison that this is a magnet that works, mo ni siya ang katong 1 peso coin. So, ingon ana siya ka paspas if mo stick sa magnet. Now, so this is the 18 karat Saudi gold. And makita na to nga mipilit ang iyahang lock. Usually, ang mga locks manggod na ana siya bakal sa sulod. So, mo ni siya ang 10 karat gold. And same thing sa 18 karat Saudi gold, ni pilit gyapon, ni stick gyapon ang iyahang lock. So we will start testing our 10 karat and our 18 karat necklaces. The blue pen, mo na siya ang 10 karat. Unya, ang kaning nasa pink pen, mo na siya ang 18 karat. And these are the solutions that we'll be using. 10 karat sa yellow, unya 18 karat sa red nga bato. We'll test first the 10 karat gold. Unya, inikuha nimo sa sample, you have to make sure na you've got enough. Mo na imo jud iduot. Right. Mo na siya ang sample. Unya, mo ni siya ang 10 karat nga acid. Imo siyang patakan. Unya, kuha ka og tissue og imuhang i-wipe. So, naagihapon siya nabilin, meaning it is real 10 karat gold. Nasayop ko ganihan, no? Wala ko naka-wear o gloves and it's really important, and I just scratched my face for a little bit and dahin ko'y gamay ragyod kay nga reaction. So, this one is our 18 karat Saudi gold necklace, and magkuha ta og sample and make sure nga imo jud siya iduot para klaro ang sample nga imuhang makuha. So, muna siya nga to ang sample, no? And this is our 18 karat acid. Imo siyang patakan. And magkuha ka og tissue to wipe it off. And naagihapon ang sample. So, this one is a real 18 karat Saudi gold. Next, we will try the jewelry cleaner by Konetsu. So, atong ablihan. Best within 12 months of opening. Dali ko kaabli ba yun? Jewelry cleaner comes with a brush and napod siya ka ng holder sa imong jewelry while you dip it inside. Ato na ibutang ang mga sing-sing for 30 seconds, and we will also use our polishing cloth later. So, after 30 seconds, imong kuhaon ang imuhang mga alahas. have featured, I would definitely recommend all 4 of them. The acid testing kit was a fun science experiment and it really worked. And I also would like to recommend this keyring because it's quite small, but ang iyang magnet nga side kay kusgan kayo. So if you just want to do like a quick test for gold or silver, this will work. Kay kung ang peso coin inanaon nimo, pilit tayo siya. And ang result sa atong pag-test sa connoisseur na cleaner, jewelry cleaner. Like I said, kamo na mag-vote kung saan yung pa-pronounce, basta mo ito. Kaning mga silver bayu-bayu ng mga sing-sing, I really think that they need to visit carbon kay para ipatubo. Na-notice na mo nga ning shiny siya kamay. And if ma-notice na ninyo, di na siya masigo sa ako ang ring finger. So, ano lang siya ko to. So bayu-bayu days and minute days. Di na masigo. And, ang last one was the polishing cloth. Although I would have wanted nga dapat punta duha ka buok ang sulod sa kuan, pero dako man sad siya. So, I really like all 4 of them. And that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. If you like more, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Jo Mantua and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!